Getting down to the wire here, huh, Skylander? What say we meet up with Callie, bust this Golden Queen, and get back here to celebrate, and maybe eat some chili? Huh? What do you think? Awesome! I just hope Buzz knows a good chili recipe. You know, I'm actually starting to come around on that guy. Hogs the spotlight a little, sure, but you know, basically, boom. So I guess we're supposed to meet Callie around here somewhere. But all I can see is sand. And those super weird giant wormy thingies. Oh, and Callie. Callie!
I found a way into the Queen's temple. It's guarded by some of her giant chompy worms, but I know how to deal with them.
Chompy worms. You know, maybe I'll sit this one out.
Don't worry, Flynn. We'll need you to keep watch from above.
No problemo, Callie. Just call me your guy in the sky. Go ahead, say it. Come on.
Skylander, I'll meet you up ahead by the catapult. And Flynn, you've always been my guy in the sky.
Boom-a shakalaka.
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
I just know there's treasure buried somewhere around here, Skylander. I can feel it in my bones. Problem is, I can't see it with my eyes. Can't see much of anything, to tell you the truth. But I do know that if Blastertron came by, he could just pull that treasure up out of the ground. What with his magnetic powers and everything. Woohoo! Blastertron! I didn't even know you existed. I thought you guys were just something I made up. Or dreamed. But anyway, now that you're here, let's see if you can pull treasure out of the ground. You did it! Good thing I didn't make up or dream that treasure, too. Please, take some of it yourself.
My victory sensors detect. Victory.
Oh, yeah! Knock on wood!
Hiya, Skylander. I'm studying some of the remarkable gophers indigenous to this area.
Live on the edge.
Unfortunately, these evil hazard birds have been kidnapping the gophers and forcing them to work in their circus. I'm not kidding. This is real. What I need is speed. Someone quick enough to keep the hazard birds away. Because as exciting as a gopher circus sounds, no one should be forced to work in one. Anyway, the Taekwon Crow has just the skills I need. Seen one of them around?
Going up!
Okay, so as you know, this desert is crawling with chompy worms. We're never gonna make it across with them out there. But if you can cover me by shooting them with this catapult, I just might be able to clear the path on the other side. Cover me, Skylander! Oh, not quite. Nice shot! Direct hit! Fire away!
You got axed.
Now that was a boom!
Up high. Call of the Wild. Cut it out. Cut it out. Whoa.
Bone Chompy.
My energy is good. Oh, yeah. Oh.
See the light. Bone Chompy defeated. Bone Chompy trapped.
Looks like another section with more chompy worms. Cover me, Skylander! Nice shot! Come on, blast these chompy worms! Cover me, Skylander! Fire away!
outshining the rest. Ready for battle! Unstoppable!
I think that did the trick. Now we can...
How dare you destroy my walls! And you've turned my chompy warm pets into worthless butterflies! Well, two can play at that game. You should thank me. At least I've made you much more valuable.
It's the Cold Front with DJ Chill Bill.
Welcome to my exclusive interview with a Jumpy Worm.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
For Skylanders! Illuminating!
Rush hour. Up high!
Villains are stronger in this zone.
Whoa! Rocked it!
Villains are stronger in this zone.
Reformed! Yeah! Reformed. Whoa!
Didn't I warn you, Skylander? Didn't I warn you to stay away from my sacred temple? No? Well, I've been very busy lately. It was definitely on my to-do list. Anyway, I suppose you're here to save your friend. But she is no longer your friend. She has become something much more precious to me. And I have no intention of giving her back. 1,000 gold pieces to whoever takes down the Skylanders.
Reformed.
You shall need... Kneel before your queen, Skylander. Why are you resisting, Skylander? Your queen demands that you stop at once. You will pay for your insolence! Literally, I could always use more men. I'm tired of your audacity, Skylander. Perhaps this will expedite your demise. Burn, Skylander, burn! Perhaps that fool Chaos was right about you all along, Skylander. You are quite a powerful foe indeed. Of course, it won't be enough to save you, but still, worth noting. Even the very sands you stand upon must submit to my will.
The motion of the potion!
Royal Guard! Destroy the Skylanders! Soon, you shall kneel before your queen, Skylander.
One strike and you're out!
Royal Guard! Destroy the Skylanders! defeating my royal guard? Impossible! Look, Skylander, I'm sure in some circles your bravery and heroism is really quite appreciated. But it's getting in the way of my world domination, so I'll be putting a stop to all of it right now. Since none of the currently undead seem capable of defeating you, I'm afraid I must bring someone very special back to unlife. Brave Clubber! Arise from your tomb!
I'm going to bury you.
Grave Clobber.
Gold pieces to whoever takes down the Skylanders. What's this? A Skylander defeating my royal guard? Impossible! You will pay for your insolence! Literally, I could always use more gold. Why are you resisting, Skylander? Your queen demands that you stop at once.
Grave Clobber defeated.
Hey! I want my mommy!
Grave Clobber trapped.
Grave Clubber, ready to pound.
What's this? Skylander defeating my royal guard? Impossible!
Fear the dark.
You will pay for your insolence! Literally, I could always use more gold.
Oh, Callie, I know you can't hear me in there, but I just want to say that I probably should have been a little nicer, before you were turned into a statue. And I guess what I'm saying is... Oh, that's a good look for you, Gold Callie. Most girls couldn't pull that off. So anyways, chin up. Hey, we'll fix this, right? And as soon as we do, and the Skylander picks up any extra supplies, we are coming right back here to get even with that queen!
How dare they attack me? I've tried to be fair about this. Was it too much to ask for all Skylands to follow a few simple rules? Gumshanks!
Oh, please. Yes. I mean, no. I mean, whatever you say, your royal golden queenness.
Good answer. Well, if the Skylanders are trying to test my mettle, it's time for them to taste my 24-carat fury! Glumshanks, move the ultimate weapon to target the Skylander Academy.
Don't you worry, Gold Callie. Good old Captain Flint here will figure out how to change you back. Well, that can't be good.
Look, Buzz, just because I'm a portal master doesn't mean I know what happened to Eon's body. So stop asking me already!
Don't look now, but I think the Queen's ultimate thingamawhatsit is heading right at us.
What? She's here!
Battle stations! Gee, I'm kinda sorry Callie's gonna miss this. She loves battle stations.
Who says I'm gonna miss it?
Gold Callie! Well, you're not gold anymore. You're, regular.
I'll take that as a compliment. Mags fixed me up.
Yep, I had a degoldifier in the basement. I was using it to make regular fish into goldfish, because they're so much prettier that way. Then I realized it had a reverse button, and voila!
And that's not all, Flynn. I think I know how to stop the Golden Queen's weapon.
You do?
Uh-huh. When I was her prisoner, I saw the Queen controlling it remotely from her lair. If we want to stop it, we've got to stop her. That means taking her out now, while we still can.
Wowzers! Well, what are we waiting for? We got stations to battle. Or, whatever that means. Let's hit the sky!